Hey, 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 it's your boy, man. Y'all see what's going on? We about to get it popping, man. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, that share button. 1,000 subscribers, giving away that bag. Every 100 subscribers, I'm buying somebody lunch. See that gold, man? It ain't right over there on the side. We gonna get him right. Yeah. Pipes is good, but we might touch them up. You know what I'm saying? We might touch them up. Yeah. Just a little something, man. Just a little something. We about to get it popping. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all stay tuned for what's going on. We're about to get it cracking. Where is the mic at on here? Sometimes I'll be covering it up. I think it's from the side. But yeah, man. It's on. Y'all see it? It's tore down. Ain't take the door panels off because we got new door panels. See how no wood on the door panel at all? Feel me? Yeah, we got the new door panels. From the Escalade, the leather, we got the basket, the hose in it, the wood. But yeah, man, y'all see it. Took me about 2 hours to gut this joint. Headliner, I'll take that out last because I'm redoing it anyway. That piece to be coming out right here. I think I'm gonna take the whole top of the dash off too. Yep. You see it, man. All the pieces. I'm wondering if I even got enough. I might need some more. Other seat over there. Yeah, man, we about to get this cracking. We're about to get it popping. Prep Tuesday. See, we got the cushion off. I slid this on. Got the hole cut in there. See the old one? This one was naturally ripped up right here. You know what I mean? This one I just cut it right here to take it off the seat. But you see how it was all cracking. I probably could have fixed that, but man, I want that fresh new boy on there. You feel me? Well, I can't have a fresh new boy. You know what I'm saying? The bottom piece. But yeah, man. Fresh new boy on there. Let's get it cracking.
Check it out.
See a little quick something, man. Got a lot of the interior done. Still got these pieces left to do. A lot of the side door pieces. Nephew helping out. Feel me? It's always love. I told him. Got them pieces to do. Still got the dash to do. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, as you know, these door panels, they trash. We got the new ones. We're gonna do the covers black and the carpet black. You feel me? So yeah, man, we almost there with it though. We almost there, man. Yeah. We almost there with it. It's going down. BTP Custom. It's the brown way, baby. Got all the dye done. Seats came out good. Once I got my rhythm down on the seats, it took less dye to cover. You know what I mean? But yeah, y'all see it, everything done, man. I'm gonna touch up this piece right here. That's about it, the edges. But everything done. The dash, I need to hit the dash one more time. Yep. And I gotta drop this so I can get this out of here, so I can reposter it. Yep. But other than that, man, we Gucci. That's where we at with it. Everything done. Feel me? About to throw these stars up in the liner. But as you see, the air duct for the top, for the back. So I'm just gonna do, you know what I mean? I'm gonna do these stars a little different. Normally I take them all down here, go all through this stuff, all through this, all through that. But I ain't gonna do it on the train. I just brought them around here though. You know what I mean? Everything done though. Back seats, front seats. Yep. It's going down, man. Stay tuned.